Allow me to nerd out for 1 minute to explain mathematically why you should aim to get a teeny tiny bit better at something every single day. Here we have the Desmos that we all know and love. A very simple compound growth formula. 100% of what you are today is 1. If you get 1% better at something every day for an entire year, this is what your growth is going to look like in that particular thing. As in, if you get 1% better at something every single day for an entire year, you will be nearly 38 times better at that thing than you were on day 1. Now, let's look at if you get 1% worse every day. This line looks flat, however, it is not. At 365 days, your ability here is 0.025 when it was 1 to begin with. The point here is if you get 1% worse every single day, you've practically wiped out your ability over the course of 1 year. The point here is decline has a floor. You can only fall to 0, right? At this point, you've lost 97.4% of your capacity, whereas growth is unbounded. The compounding is exponential. For visibility's sake, let's make this 5 years, add an extra day on to reflect the leap year. I can't say. So after 5 years, we are almost 78 million times better. Obviously, this is quite a trivial example. However, I just wanted to remind you of the power of marginal gains. Also, let's all collectively decide to ignore the fact that ChatGPT is bookmarked as ChatGBT because that's what my parents call it and it reminds me of home.